packing box, multimeter, manual, storage bag, watch pen, temperature line, data cable, lithium battery direct charging mode, environmentally friendly, convenient and worry-free. Insulated silicone shell, drop and dust proof, protect hardware from damage. The watch pen is connected to the corresponding port. DC current, serial lines as shown in the video can measure the current at work. AC current, serial lines as shown in the video can measure the current at work. NCV induction, switch to the corresponding gear, and a beep will sound when the voltage is sensed. Zero fire wire recognition, the beeping sound is the fire line, and the silent sound is the zero line. Intelligent anti-burn, automatic identification of measurement objects. Resistance, automatically identify the resistance gear, and the pen can contact both ends of the resistance. DC voltage, automatically identify the voltage gear, and the pen can correspond to both ends of the battery. Buzzer, automatically identify the buzzer gear, test on and off, and issue a beep to indicate normal patency. AC voltage, automatic identification of voltage gears. The commonly used household AC voltage is around 220 volts. Diodes, switch to the corresponding gear and touch both ends of the diode. Capacitance, switch to the corresponding gear, and the watch pen can contact both ends of the capacitor. Temperature, connect the temperature wire. Switch to the corresponding gear and contact the measured object with the thermocouple.